Hi, it's another day's reviews. This time it's the Ghost Rider with the Hell Cycle from Hot Toys, and it's the movie masterpiece. As you can see, the box looks awesome. That is really smart. And it's really big. I mean, just look at the size of that. On the side it says Ghost Rider. On the back is some information, like who made it all and all the usual gumph, and another really nice picture of the actual figure on the bike. It says Ghost Rider with Hell Cycle, and also on there nice picture of Nicolas Cage holding his shotgun. And when you open it up, that's what you get. That's the clamshell thing inside. But also you get that really nice picture. This is great as a backdrop. Personally, I like to display it with the with that as the backdrop, so that looks really good. You get the usual stand, but if you're going to display it with the bike, you probably won't use the stand. You get two shotguns. That's one of them. That's like when he's changed into Ghost Rider, that's the one he uses. But personally I like the other one. I mean, plenty of detail and it's really nice. All gnarly. You get an extra set of hands, which are fisted hands, and these are really sharp, so you've got to be careful. Extra set of pegs as well for it, in case you break them. Usual instructional leaflet telling you what to do and how to do it. His head, Johnny's head. But you probably won't display it with that. Really good likeness. I think they've got, a pretty good one there, Nicolas Cage. Yeah, can't really fault that. And then, for the main feature, there he is in all his glory, all lit up. You can't really see properly from there with the lights on, but his eyes, I assure you, his eyes do look very red. See when it's a bit dark, but then if I put it dark you won't see a thing. And there's the other shotgun. Really nice. Proper metal whip chain. I'm not sure if it's real leather. It feels like it, and it did have a bit of a smell of leather. But yeah, it's very nice. And the other hands, let's say, with all those sharp bits. It's a bit of a Lego stand I put under there to keep him up because I didn't like it would weigh. There is a little kickstand underneath, but you don't really seem that secure. So I thought I'd just make a bit of Lego stand for underneath him so he doesn't fall over. Can't go wrong with a bit of Lego. The wheels all turn. Right, if you see at the back there, you can see it turning. And the switch for the lights is just underneath here. Can't get him on the stand now. But yeah, articulation's really good. Everything moves well. To actually get his light on or off, have to take his head off, really. It's a little awkward to get to. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. These just come off and push in dead easy anyway. The jaw moves up and down, head rotates and backwards and forwards. Got his chain caught onto there now, making a mess of that. But yeah, I think they've done a cracking job with this. For ages I wasn't too sure because of what the plastic looked like for the flame effect. But now that I've got it, I'm really pleased. I can't fault it. Especially when the light's on, it's just a little bit darker. Really looks great. You can see like the bony fingers coming over the tank there. Yeah, very nice indeed. So yeah, if you was wondering whether to get one of these or not, I know it's a bit late now because they came out a few years ago and they're pretty hard to find now. But yeah, very nice, very good. Makes a nice big centerpiece or something. And hope this was helpful to you. And that's another one of Dave's reviews. Bye.